We can create relationships between people such as e-manager of or e-manager by. To do this, we're already going to create the relationship rule, so collaborator, relationship, type of relationship. We will list the types of relationships. For the moment, there is none, but we can create the type of relationship between people with a natural relationship that would be e-manager to. The inverse relationship is managed by, and we validate the creation. The relationship type is created. We will now be able to create this relationship between two people. In collaborator relationships, person-to-person relationships, I'll be able to create a person-to-person relationship. The type of relationship is going to be a manager of. The source person will be the manager. The destination person will be the person being managed. In person source, I'll go and find Sherlock Holmes, and in person destination, Dr. Watson. I validate my creation. My list of person-to-person relationships points to Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson's manager. If I now search for Sherlock Holmes, I have his card on which it is stated in the report that Sherlock Holmes is Dr. Watson's manager. And if I click on Dr. Watson's file, I know that he is managed by Sherlock Holmes. The list of relationships can be imported as an Excel file.